guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Efe and I'm so happy you're here. My channel is called Efe's Cappuccino and it basically is about everything and anything that interests us women. I did actually start my YouTube journey a few years ago and I stopped for a couple of reasons which we'll definitely get into. The beautiful thing is I'm back. We're going to be having some cappuccino, talking about different topics that interest us women. We shall also be having lots of skincare routines, skincare tutorials, makeup, beauty, mom life, the whole shebang. So what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel and make sure you tune in every Wednesdays and Fridays when we upload new videos just created for you. And I hope you will stay tuned and we can totally take on this journey together. So I hope to see you soon and do have a very good day.